This is Larry, and this is Option Strategies. Option Strategies is a free website that has tools and educational resources for option traders. And what I'd like to do is go through some of the features in Option Strategies. And I think the best way to start is to look at some of the strategies that we've put together here. And we have 14 strategies, and hopefully by the end of the year we'll have 50. If not by the end of the year, sometime early next year, but we'll be continuously adding different option strategies, and we think there's 50 quality strategies out there that are relevant for option trading that we can present, and I think would be a good number to have. And so let's look at a very basic strategy here, the long straddle. What we do for the strategies on option strategies is explain how you would implement the strategy, and then you can go and implement the strategy theoretically. This is how you would implement the straddle. If you calculate the price, you see the long straddle. The way it plays out here is stock goes up or stock goes down a lot, you will make money, but in the middle, you lose money. So that's the way a long straddle looks. And you can look at a graph of how it looks here, so you can get an idea of the payoff. You can summary by what you're doing. It shows you how you implement that particular strategy. And let's say that you've gone through and you understand all these types of strategies and you're trading stacks and you want to go out and you want to implement one. Well, we also provide a section on our website that you can look at an actual stack, like for example Microsoft, and see where it's trading and develop a strategy for Microsoft. Now, I'm going to use market data here, and you can really use any number, and we're going to assume maybe when we say that Microsoft is going to open up a little bit, and you can go through and look. What we'll do here is we will do a long straddle on Microsoft. We give you pretty much all the inputs and everything that you need. You can kind of make your own little assumptions here on where you. So what you have here is you built your own long straddle on Microsoft, and you can look and you can see how that potentially could play out. Now we have a option pricing model, so a lot of these are assumptions on where the price will be at further dates if the price of the underlying is here, and we calculate what the gain loss would be at that theoretical price for the option. So we go all the way out to July 17th. You can see it's kind of similar to what we had before with our long straddle graph. And calculations. So, hopefully in the future I will do a YouTube video explaining a lot of these things, delta, gamma, rho, theta, and kind of explaining how we go into calculating the theoretical price and everything like that. But right now, I want to kind of give you an overview and just a lot of the information you have. But you can really just add anything, or you have any type of strategy, and just see how it kind of goes with what you think the underlying price is going to do, and just various things like volatility. That's an important concept in options trading, just how different changes in that will affect your outcomes. And one last thing I wanted to show is we have a very extensive option quote area, and so you can look at Microsoft, and we give you a lot of information here. The price change, open interest volume, and we have a theoretical price for every option, and you can a lot of the Greeks, or all the Greeks pretty much, and implied volatility, which again is a concept that you have to know a lot about if you're going to be trading options. But let's look at the one, at the 17th. We can see we got our 45 call and put out there, over there. And we can look at just calls, just puts, and this is the display. This is, you can eliminate some of the display. This is good with a mobile browser because you're kind of limited with space there. But yeah, that's that, and you can refresh if you're looking at the prices during the trading day. And that's it for now. There's a few more features that we can go through in future YouTube videos, but right now I just kind of wanted to go through some of the basics and take you through and show you option strategies. So we'd appreciate it if you're watching the video, maybe go on the site and just look at some of the features there, and thank you for your time.